Blue train, green train. Up come the yellow sun. Blue train Thomas starts his run. Green train Percy sees the sun. Now his busy run is done. Well done, green train. Have fun, blue train. Peep, peep, clickety-clack, blue train Thomas on the track. Load up with brown cars, white eggs, green clouds. Load up the blue bikes, red wagons, orange trikes. Load up the new toys, gifts for the little girls and boys. The sun is yellow, the sun is round, the sun makes shadows on the ground. The clouds are gone, the sun is back. Blue train slows down on the track. Unload the brown cars, white eggs, green clouds. Unload the blue bikes, red wagons, orange trikes. Unload the new toys for happy little girls and boys. Down goes the yellow sun. Blue train Thomas' day is done. Home now to the shed. Beep, beep. The shed is where Thomas Kent sleeps. Well done, blue train. Have fun, green train. Up peeps the white moon. Green train starts soon. Peep, peep, clickety-clack. Green train Percy on the track. Load up all the mails and unload along the rail. Boxes of all shapes and sizes. Blue presents, red prizes. Green train Percy slows down. He picks some up and puts some down. Boxes of all shapes and sizes. Blue presents, red prizes. The moon is round, the moon is white, the moon makes shadows in the night. Up peeps the yellow sun. Green train Percy now is done. Home now to the shed. Peep, peep! The shed is where Percy can sleep. Blue train sees the sun. Time again to start his run. Well done, green train. Have fun, blue train.